Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change currency on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, you can go ahead and open the Amazon application on your device. And then here you can tap on select your currency. Okay, after that you can press here, and then you can select the currency that you need. Okay, and then the currency on your Amazon application is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change currency on Amazon on an Android device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.